welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things Asian beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. And today's video is actually inspired by a video that you guys really enjoyed in spring 2020 where I featured all of my favorite Jbeauty and Kbeauty products by creating a makeup look for that season. And so today we're doing the exact same thing just for fall. So today I'm creating this makeup look using all of my go-to products from Jbeauty and Kbeauty brands for the fall of 2020. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. I'm starting off this whole look with my favorite primer for the colder months, the RiluLena primer. The primer has a gel-like consistency that makes it easy to apply but also keeps the skin moisturized and dewy throughout the day. I highly recommend it to everyone who finds that their foundation dries out their skin in the colder months of the year. Now the CC cream is honestly a lifesaver for those of you looking for a nourishing CC cream that is lightweight, blendable, easy to use, and gentle on the skin. I first dot the CC cream onto my skin, then blend it in with my fingers. The Esprique CC base cover protects the skin from powerful UV rays with SPF 50+ and PA quadruple plus, while still being comfortable to wear while having medium dewy coverage. I finish off the application process by using a cushion pluff to blend out the CC cream. To ensure that my base makeup stays put throughout the rest of my day, I'm using the best-selling Canmake Marshmallow finishing powder underneath my eyes and across my T-zone. I love how this powder is semi-mattifying but also creates a long-lasting look that isn't drying to the skin. For the brows, I'm using the Shiseido Indigo Gracy eyebrow pencil that has been one of my holy grail products for many years. This pencil is super easy to use, blendable, and affordable, and comes in several different shades to match everyone's look. I start off by focusing on the tail ends of my eyebrows and then working my way inwards with upward strokes to create a very natural look. Moving on into eyeshadows, I'm using the Kate Brown shade eyeshadow palette and taking the warm toned shimmery brown color and applying it with an eyeshadow brush all over my lid while still focusing the color underneath my crease. This eyeshadow palette is one of my favorites just because of how creamy these eyeshadows are while still giving the pigmentation and the shimmer everyone desires. Now taking the copper toned shimmer shadow with a blending brush, I'm going to blend out the first color and smoke out the look above the crease. Taking that same color with a flat liner brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lower lash line to round out the look and give more definition to my eyes. Taking the darkest brown color in the palette with an angled brush, I'm going to create a small smoked out winged liner look and bringing that color all the way to my inner tear duct for a very defined yet smoked out look. To define the look further, I'm taking the MACQUEEN liquid liner that I featured in the affordable under $10 makeup look video and lining my upper lash line from the tear duct to the outer portion of my eye to create a subtle yet defined look. Not only is this liquid eyeliner super pigmented and easy to use, it's also very affordable and something that I highly recommend all of you picking up. To balance out the dark brown eyeshadow look, I'm taking the pearly white color from the palette onto my inner tear ducts and across the first half of my lower lash line. Next, taking the Bbi Glitter Eyeliner in New York Rich, I'm going to apply it once again to the inner part of my lower lash line. Bringing a highlight color towards the inner portion of your eye makes your whole look brighter, and this affordable but super highly pigmented product from Bbi is a must. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes to get us prepped for our mascara. If you're looking for a new mascara to add to your Asian beauty collection, look no further. The ISEHAN Kiss Me Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara is the perfect waterproof mascara that thoroughly coats your lashes for a thickening and volumizing effect that is truly mesmerizing. I like applying my mascara to both my top and bottom lashes to once again bring more attention to my eyelashes without using false lashes.
To lightly contour the face, I'm using the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin Shading Compact. For someone who's looking for a lightly mattifying natural contour that's once again affordable and easy to use, I highly recommend picking up this one. I like to dust the powder around my face and along my jawline for a natural slimming contour. Kaja is one of my favorite brands when it comes to accessible Asian beauty in the US. This cheeky stamp not only has adorable packaging, but comes in several different shades to match any makeup look, and it's super blendable but highly pigmented. I'm finishing up my face makeup with the Mochi Glow Bouncy Highlighter from Kaja and applying it to the high points of my face like my cheekbone, brow bone, tip of the nose, and my Cupid's bow. This TSW Matte Fit lipstick in Maple Sunset screams fall to me, and on top of that has the long-lasting pigmentation that is a plus when chugging down all of Starbucks' new holiday drinks. I like to first apply it directly and soften the whole look by blurring out the product with my fingers. To top off the lipstick, I'm adding the Flow Fushi Lip 38 degrees Celsius lip treatment to keep my lips moisturized and glossy. This lip treatment has an oil-based consistency which nourishes the lips while still having a little bit of a color payoff.
So that's going to be it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are able to maybe take away a few things from this video to add into your own fall makeup routine. If you're curious about specific products that I did use in this week's video, as always, make sure to go ahead and check out the description box down there for all of the information and all of the links to any of the products that I use. I just want to make it as easy as possible for you guys to access Asian beauty, so it's all in the description box down there for you guys. And before you head out, make sure to go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I'm really curious to see if you guys would like to see a winter version, next year version, and seasonal versions of this video. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here and like this video, as always, I'd love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. I upload every single Saturday about Asian beauty, skincare, and lifestyle, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye everyone.